Hi and welcome to another Type with me. Within today's video, I'm gonna explain how to use scoped CSS. Scoped CSS is very nice because you can actually scope here in this example a dot card with an H2, and then that H2 in the card itself has the color red, but everything outside can have the global CSS styling, right? So if we go further, we see CSS is global by default. You often end up with long complex class names, card underscore title, card underscore button. Shadow DOM or CSS modules can solve this, but they add complexity. So now AddScope brings native support for scoped styling to CSS. So if we go to our HTML page that I've created, you see here that we have H1 color red, and then here I have a title with color blue, and I have a button here, and if we use this, you see here H1 class title, and here also H1 class title. So this results in this outcome. We have a global red, and then we have a card which is blue, and then we have a click me button, right? So you see that it's also not really evergreen. So if I go up here, you see what the syntax is, and has some kind of description right here. You see here add body, article body to figure image, and this one is as well a nice one. The add scope dot feature, we can do then this one, right? Scope, and the dot feature has then the background, the color, and the font family directly scoped underneath the dot feature, which is a great one. So I think when every browser has adopted this, I think it's a great solution to use this in a very limited and very good way. I think a lot of new stuff is coming towards CSS, and I really like it. So I hope you also liked it. If you liked it, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one.